So today I'm going to be talking to you about this underwater housing case for your DSLR. So this is made by a company called Outex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put it on, testing it out and reviewing it. So here's just a little backstory about why I bought this in the first place. So as much as I love GoPros, nothing beats photography like my DSLR. And therefore I wanted to make it waterproof. When I was looking online, all I could really see was one end of the scale, bags on eBay for like £10 that you put your DSLR in, and I thought that was a bit too risky. Or it was on the other end of the scale where I had to pay four-figure sums for a big metal casing, and I just couldn't really afford that. In the end, I found this, which was somewhere in the middle with the price range. I trust it more than a little bag that you pay £10 for, but also it's less clunkier than the more expensive option. So now I'm going to show you how to put this onto your camera. So first of all, you need to take the lens off. And now you can start to slowly place the camera body inside of the Outex case. Now that the body is inside of the Outex, you can slowly start to pass your lens through the front of the case. Make sure the dots are lined up and then click the lens into place. Now that your camera is fully inside of the Outex case, we're going to start to put the lenses on, starting with the one on the back. The lens for the back is the one with the added viewfinder. It comes with two rings attached to it. So the first one, you're going to twist it until it comes off. And the second one, you can simply just slide off. So you're going to get the lens like so and pull the plastic around the edge. The first disc you're going to then place onto this is the one that easily slid off. This one almost has an L shape on the inside. This needs to be placed downwards onto the plastic. Then you're going to place the second ring on top of that ring, and this should twist into place. Now we're going to add the front lens. This comes with a section that actually screws onto your camera lens. And as the same with the last lens, this also comes with two rings. Roll your Outex case down the lens, take the lens cap off, and then screw the front lenses section onto the front of your camera lens. You're now going to pull your plastic Outex case around the edge of the front lens. And as the same with the back lens, you're going to place the first ring on top, making sure the L is pointing downwards. And then you're going to place the second ring, which twists into place. And now your Outex case is on. You can also add a strap to this. I like to use the neck strap that it comes with. It also comes with the wrist strap. You place the ring of strap around the back lens. It'll have the Outex logo on top, and then it also has these clips at the bottom. You just pass the top strap over the top and then click this into place at the bottom. And there you have it, it's as simple as that. So now I'm going to show you some footage of me testing this out. We took this to Thailand, to the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary, and as you can see, it's very wet and very muddy. We fully submerged this under the mud and the water, and it was absolutely fine. So in terms of testing this, it definitely works. If you are worried about this not working with your camera though, before you put your camera in there, what I'd suggest is putting this all together without the camera inside and then squeezing it, and you'll be able to see all the air is inside of it, which would mean that no water would be able to get inside. So now I'm going to review this. This is probably a very, very big statement, but this is the best accessory that I've ever bought for my DSLR. Mainly because I can now take my camera literally everywhere with me. I could take this on the beach, even if I'm not doing underwater photography, it will protect it from the sand. And say if I'm doing sports photography, then it will protect it from the rain and the mud. It's literally just great. Honestly, as a photographer, and if you're worried about your camera getting damaged in whatever environment you're in, take this because it will protect it. Some other things that I really love about it is that fact that I can see my photos through this lens here, but also because the plastic is see-through, I can press all these buttons and change all my settings without being worried. Also, it's just really easy to carry around. It's not that much of an added hassle, so that's really good. Also on the website they have dome lenses available, which I might purchase after this video. If you're really into underwater photography, you will definitely love those. And just so you know, Outex is not paying me for this video. I just really like this case, and it's completely changed my photography, and I wanted to let more people know about it. So go check them out. The link is in the description. If you want to check out any of the photos that I took with this, then you can go to my Instagram, which is here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, then please comment, like, subscribe, and all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!